Hi everyone! In this video, we will be filling out a contingency table. The contingency table shows the number of male and female students enrolled in nursing at a local college for a recent semester. Complete the table. Find the probability that a student is enrolled in a non-nursing program given they are female. The first thing we need to do is fill out our table. Each of these columns and rows have totals at the end. So if we want to find a missing part in this first one, I have a total here, and I'm missing this number here. To find that, I can just subtract, taking 636, subtracting the females, 571, we'll get the leftover males, and putting this in my calculator gives me the number 65. I also have totals on the right. Here I have a total of 1,036 males, and we know the non-nursing majors is 971, so we could subtract these and also come up with this missing number. So we could have done 1,036, subtract 971, and it should give us the exact same number, and it does. It's 65. So you have two ways to find the number to fill in this part of the contingency table. Now we can do the same thing for the females and the non-nursing majors here in this box. We can go ahead and subtract 971 from 2,364. 2,364, subtract 971. In my calculator gives me 1,393. But again, we also have the option to do the row, which would be 1,964, and subtract the females, 571. In my calculator, also gives us 1,393. So either way you wanted to fill out these numbers in the contingency table, we had two ways on this one. The last one is finding this total here, which we can add the totals coming down, or we could add the totals going across. So 1,036 plus 1,963 in my calculator gives me 3,000. Again, we could have done across, so 636 plus 2,364, also in my calculator gives me 3,000. So now that we've completely filled out our contingency table, we can move forward with finding the probability. Find the probability that a student is enrolled in a non-nursing program given they are female. The word given is a key to us that we are looking at a conditional probability. This means that I'm looking for a probability given a certain condition. And it tells us right here that it is given that they are female. So this goes into the given section here. Given is this line that they are female. And we are looking for the probability that they are a non-nursing major. And so I'm going to put an X for not. I'm crossing out the N because they both start with N, nursing and non-nursing. Because I am looking for a probability with the conditional statement that it's given that the student is female, the only thing we need to look at is the female row. We don't need to look at anything else for this particular probability. And because we are only looking for the female row, we know that the total number of females is given to us as 1,964. So this is the total for the denominator, 1,964. This is the bottom for the given. And we want to know the probability that this student is a non-nursing major. So we'll go back to our female column, and we're looking for the non-nursing number, which we have here in the non-nursing column. That is 1,393. Using my calculator to divide 1,393 divided by 1,964 gives me the number 0.709, and it keeps going. That's sufficient. Let's go ahead and round it to the 2 decimal places. So we look at the 0. The 9 is greater than 5, so we round it up to give us 0.71. And that is the conditional probability of a student being enrolled in a non-nursing program given that they are female. And now we're all done.